Question number 1 is find the perimeter of the following. Find the perimeter of the following. Okay, students, in this question here given that some figures for finding the perimeters. Okay, look at here carefully. In question number 1 of A is here given that a triangle distance. Look at here carefully. They are given that A, here B and C. The line segment AB is 6 centimeter and the line segment AC is 5 centimeter and the length of BC is 7 centimeter. It means that the length of AB is 6 centimeter and the length of line segment AC is 5 centimeter and the length of line segment BC is 7 centimeter. Okay. Okay, distance. Then perimeter is equal to distance. We know that the sum of the length of all given line segment of simple closed figure is called its perimeter. Therefore, according to definition, here we have to take the sum of 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Okay, distance. After adding these, we get the perimeter of this figure. Understand? Look at here carefully. Here we can write perimeter is equal to 6 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. Okay. After adding this, we get 6 plus 5 is 11 centimeter plus here we can write 7 centimeter as same. Again we have to add 11 plus 7 is 18 centimeter. Understand? It means that the perimeter of this closed figure is 18 centimeter and this simple closed figure is called triangle. Okay, distance? Because here given 1, 2 and 3 line segment. Okay, understand? In question number 1 of B, look at here carefully. The figure of question number 1 of B is this and the line segment of this closed figure is the length of this line segment is 5 centimeter and the length of this line segment is 5 centimeter and the length of this line segment is 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter. Okay, it means that this one, look at here carefully. Here the given four sides are equal. It means that the length of four sides of this figure is equal. Therefore, this is a square. Okay. Because a square have four equal sides. Understand? Perimeter is equal to distance. We know that the sum of the length of all given line segment, okay, of a simple closed figure is called its perimeter. Okay, distance. According to the definition of perimeter, here we have to take the addition of this and this and this. Understand? After adding these, we get the answer of this question. Now let's start. Okay, distance. Here we can write 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. After adding these, we get 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, again 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. It means that the perimeter of this square is 20 centimeter. Okay, it means that the perimeter of this figure is 20 centimeter. Understand, dear students? Dear students, please write in maths fair copy and book both. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Understand? Now read this. Okay. Now let's start question number 1 of C. Question number 1 of C. Here given that a simple closed figure, its length is 3 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Okay, distance. Here we have to find perimeter of this figure. Okay, distance. We know that the sum of the length of all line segment. This is called line segment. Okay, it means that the sum of the length of all line segment of given this simple closed figure, understand, is called its perimeter. Okay, it means that if we have to add 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter, then we get the perimeter of this figure. Okay, now let's start. Perimeter is equal to, here given that 3 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is equal to distance. After adding these, we get 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 11 plus 3 is 14. Yes, and 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8 is 22. Very good. 14 plus 8 is 22 centimeter. It means that after adding these, we get 22 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 22 centimeter. It means that perimeter of this figure is 22 centimeter. Understand, dear friends? Similarly, we can solve question number D, E and F. Okay, okay, dear friends? It means that question number 1 of D, E and F, do it yourself. Do it yourself in maths homework. Okay, after solving this, after solving the given question, it means that after completed the given question, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students? Okay, now that this, now let's start question number 2. Question number 2. There are 12 squares, each of side 1 centimeter. Each of side 1 centimeter. Using these squares, using these squares, a rectangle, a rectangle is made in two ways. In two ways. Find perimeter of each rectangle. Which rectangle has larger perimeter? Which rectangle has larger perimeter? Just look at here carefully. Here given that two figure. Figure A. This is figure B. Okay. Okay, distance. In this question, here given that there are 12 squares. Okay, distance. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many squares? 12. There are 12 squares. Each of side 1 centimeter. It means that this side is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Only this. Okay. It means that this is 1 centimeter. Using these squares, here given that a rectangle made, a rectangle is made in two ways. Okay. So find the perimeter of rectangle and which rectangle has larger perimeter. Dear students, in this figure, here given that 12 squares. Okay. Now let's start the counting from here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and last 16. Okay, distance? 16. It means that the perimeter of this figure is 16. Perimeter of A is equal to 16 centimeter. Perimeter of A is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, students? And in this figure, now let's start the counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here in last we get 14. It means that perimeter of B is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, distance? Okay. Look at here carefully. Comparing the perimeter of A and perimeter of B, which is greater? Here we get 60 centimeter, 16 centimeter is greater than 14 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of A is greater than perimeter of B. Okay, sense? It means that figure A is greater than figure B. Understand? Understand dear students? Here in last we get perimeter of A is greater than perimeter of B. Okay. Okay, students, which rectangle has larger perimeter? So rectangle A has larger perimeter. Okay. Okay, dear students, please write this in your maths book. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, and after completed the given classwork and homework, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, since it is mandatory for all students. Okay. Okay, thank you.